Electricity lights our cities. Radio waves cross oceans. Light itself races through space. Long before modern technology, one man uncovered the hidden forces connecting them all. James Clerk Maxwell was born in 1831 in Edinburgh, Scotland. From a young age, he showed a rare fascination with shapes, symmetry, and motion. Maxwell constantly asked why things behaved the way they did, seeing order where others saw chaos. At just 14 years old, Maxwell published his first scientific paper, marking him as a prodigy with extraordinary mathematical insight. At the University of Edinburgh and Cambridge, Maxwell developed the rare ability to translate physical reality into precise mathematics. During Maxwell's time, electricity and magnetism were seen as separate and mysterious forces. In the 1860s, Maxwell unified electricity and magnetism into four elegant equations, now known as Maxwell's equations. These equations revealed that changing electric fields create magnetic fields, and changing magnetic fields create electric fields. Maxwell made a stunning realization. Light itself is an electromagnetic wave. Even more remarkable, Maxwell's theory predicted the existence of radio waves before they were ever observed. Years later, experiments confirmed Maxwell's predictions, proving the power of mathematical insight. From radio and television to radar and wireless communication, Maxwell's equations became the foundation of modern technology. Maxwell also transformed thermodynamics and the kinetic theory of gases, explaining heat as molecular motion. His famous thought experiment, Maxwell's demon, challenged ideas about entropy and information. Decades later, Albert Einstein built upon Maxwell's work, using it as a foundation for the theory of relativity. Despite his brilliance, Maxwell lived quietly, known for his humility, kindness, and deep curiosity. James Clerk Maxwell died in 1879 at the age of 48, never seeing the full impact of his ideas. Today, every wireless signal and beam of light traces its roots back to Maxwell's vision. James Clerk Maxwell revealed the universe's hidden language, a language that still powers our modern world. If you enjoyed this journey through science and discovery, subscribe for more documentaries that explain the universe clearly and beautifully. Subscribe to explore the minds that shaped our world. New science stories, discoveries, and ideas every week.